Tip number 1. When your computer looks like this, there are 2 things you need to do. The first is to turn the power button on the Mac. And then you hit the button on the side. Go.
Over here in these blue tape lines, this is, if you find any food here, it's free food and you can take as much as you want, as long as it's in between these blue lines. Ready when you're ready.
Yeah, go ahead.
Right.
Green Team members, thank you so much for the work that you do. In all reality, we could not do what we do. We could not put on the programming and the size of events that we do without your help. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And I really, truly hope that you consider being involved in your future years here at UVU. Go Wolverines!